Light, Reflection and Refraction, A Journey Through Light, Class 10 Science, Physics, Part 2, Refraction, Understanding How Light Behaves, from bouncing off surfaces to bending as it passes through different mediums. Defining refraction, definition, the bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another. Why it happens, light changes its speed as it moves from one medium, like air, to another, like water or glass. This change in speed causes it to bend. Analogy, imagine a marching band marching from a paved road onto a muddy field. Their speed changes, and if they enter at an angle, they will change direction. Laws of refraction. Snell's law, Law 1, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of the two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Law 2, Snell's law, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is a constant for a given pair of media. Formula, sin r upon sin I is equal to constant is equal to n, where I is equal to angle of incidence, R is equal to angle of refraction, n is equal to refractive index, a constant for those two media. Refractive index, definition, a measure of how much the speed of light changes when it enters a medium. It determines how much light bends. Formula, n is equal to speed of light in the medium, v, speed of light in vacuum, c, key points, the refractive index of a vacuum, or air, approximately, is 1. A higher refractive index means light travels slower in that medium and bends more. Absolute refractive index, when light travels from vacuum to a medium. Relative refractive index, when light travels from one medium to another. Bending of light, denser, rarer mediums, optical denser medium, a medium with a higher refractive index. Example, water is optically denser than air. Light slows down, optical rarer medium, a medium with a lower refractive index. Example, air is optically rarer than water. Light speeds up, rules of bending, rarer to denser, light ray bends towards the normal. Example, air to water, denser to rarer, light ray bends away from the normal. Example, water to air, no bending. If light strikes the surface perpendicularly, along the normal, it does not bend. Refraction through glass slab, description, when light passes through a rectangular glass slab, it undergoes two refractions, air to glass, rarer to denser bends towards the normal, glass to air, denser to rarer bends away from the normal. Outcome, the emergent ray, the ray coming out of the slab, is parallel to the incident ray, but laterally displaced, shifted sideways. The direction remains the same. Introduction to lenses, definition, a transparent material bounded by two surfaces, at least one of which is spherical. Types, convex lens, converging lens thicker in the middle, thinner at the edges. Converges parallel rays of light, concave lens, diverging lens thinner in the middle, thicker at the edges. Diverges parallel rays of light. Terminology for lenses, optical center, or the central point of the lens. A ray passing through the optical center goes undeviated. Principal axis, the straight line passing through the optical center and perpendicular to both surfaces. Principal focus, F for a convex lens, parallel rays converge to a point, F, on the principal axis after refraction. For a concave lens, parallel rays appear to diverge from a point, F, on the principal axis. Lenses have two principal foci, f1 and f2, focal length, f the distance between the optical center and the principal focus. Ray tracing rules for convex lens. Rule 1. A ray parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, passes through the principal focus, f2. On the other side, Rule 2. A ray passing through the principal focus, f1, after refraction, becomes parallel to the principal axis. Rule 3. a ray passing through the optical center, O, goes undeviated. Convex lens image formation cases. Case 1. Object at infinity, image at f2 nature, real, inverted, highly diminished, point size. Case 2. Object beyond to f1, image between f2 and to f2, nature, real, inverted, diminished. Case 3. Object at to f1, image at to f2, nature, real, inverted, same size. Case 4. Object between f1 and to f1, image beyond to f2, nature, real, inverted, enlarged. Case 5. Object at f1, image at infinity, nature, real, inverted, highly enlarged. Case 6. Object between f1 and O, image on the same side as the object, nature, virtual, erect, enlarged, used as a magnifying glass. Ray tracing rules of concave lens. Rule 1. A ray parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, appears to diverge from the principal focus, f1, on the same side. Rule 2. A ray directed towards the principal focus, f2, on the other side, after refraction, becomes parallel to the principal axis. Rule 3. A ray passing through the optical center, O, goes undeviated. Concave lens image formation. Case 1. Object at infinity, image at f1, on the same side, nature, virtual, erect, highly diminished, point size. Case 2. Object between optical center, O, and infinity, image between f1 and O, on the same side, nature, virtual, erect, diminished. Key takeaway: concave lenses always form virtual, erect, and diminished images, regardless of the object's position. New Cartesian sign convention for lenses, purpose, similar to mirrors, for consistent formula application, rules, same as mirrors regarding origin, optical center, principal axis, and heights, distances, measured from the optical center, incident light travels from left to right usually, distances measured in the direction of incident light are positive, distances measured opposite to the direction of incident light are negative. Important points: focal length of convex lens is positive, f. Focal length of concave lens is negative, f. Lens formula. V1 minus U1 is equals to f1, where V is equal to image distance, U is equal to object distance, f is equal to focal length of the lens. Note the minus sign compared to the mirror formula. Use proper sign conventions. Magnification by lens. Definition: the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. Formula: m is equal to h dash is equal to uv, where m is equal to magnification, h dash is equal to height of the image, h is equal to height of the object, v is equal to image distance, u is equal to object distance. Interpreting magnification: m is greater than 1, image is enlarged, m is less than 1, image is diminished, m is equal 1, image is same size, positive m, image is erect and virtual, negative m, image is inverted and real. Power of a lens. Definition: the ability of a lens to converge or diverge light rays. Formula: P is equal to F1, where F is in meters, unit, diopter, D, key points, convex lens, positive power, converging, concave lens, negative power, diverging, significance, a higher power means a shorter focal length and stronger bending ability. Opticians prescribe lenses based on their power. Applications of lenses: convex lenses, magnifying glasses, cameras, telescopes, microscopes, correcting hypermetropia, farsightedness, concave lenses, peepholes in doors, flashlights, correcting myopia, nearsightedness. Summary: reflection, bouncing back of light, laws of reflection, plane and spherical mirrors, concave convex, mirror formula, refraction, bending of light, laws of refraction, Snell's law, refractive index, lenses, convex concave, lens formula, power of lens, remember sign conventions. They are vital for numerical problems. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.